Have you ever wondered what happens when you press the shutter button on your camera? Well, I did. And I mean, obviously we all know the shutter goes off and a picture is taken. But what actually really happens behind the scenes? So I coupled a Photron Nova million frame per second camera with a Hasselblad CM503X and a Godot flash, and this is the results that we got. We framed that at 20,000 frames per second, which shows clearly the structure of every aspect of taking a picture with a camera like the Hasselblad. Comment below if you're interested in seeing more.